This video will demonstrate how to install the Silux Control Transview InterVedo. First, complete the installation before using the Transview InterVedo on the app. The purpose of the Transview InterVedo is to monitor your home or office. With the dual motion PIR detection, you can now have peace of mind with real-time notifications and updates sent to your mobile device, viewable anywhere in the world via the Silux Control Cloud. You can easily adjust the Transview InterVedo to suit your lifestyle via the Silux Control app. No more need for a DVR, all is stored on a cloud. Powering the Transview InterVedo using batteries. Please note, batteries are primarily for backup. Step 1. At the bottom of the Transview InterVedo, open the battery compartment. Step 2. Insert 4 AA batteries into the battery compartment. Pay careful attention to the orientation of the batteries when you insert them. Step 3. Close the battery compartment. Connecting to power using the power supply adapter. Step 1. Switch off the plug socket and plug the USB adapter into the plug socket. Step 2. Plug the USB cable into the adapter and the micro USB on the other end of the cable into the micro USB slot by opening the small rubber cover at the bottom of the device, as indicated. Step 3. Switch the power socket back on. If the red light is not flashing, reset the device by pressing the pin provided firmly into the hole for 5 seconds. You will hear a sound followed by a red light, indicating that the camera was successfully reset and has power. Mounting the Transview InterVedo. Step 1. Use the magnet bracket plastics and mark with a pencil or pen where you would like to mount your camera. Please note, you can adjust your camera angle to the angle you prefer. Step 2. Drill a hole into the wall, insert the wall plug, screw in the mounting screw, and hook your magnet bracket onto the screw head. Pairing the Transview InterVedo. Step 1. On the Silux Control home screen, locate the camera icon and tap it. Step 2. Tap the plus icon. Step 3. Name your camera and create a password for your security. Step 4. Scan the QR code on the bottom of the Transview InterVedo and tap Save. Step 5. Enter your local Wi-Fi SSID and password. Step 6. Ensure the red light is flashing on your camera, then tap Start Join. You will hear sounds coming from your mobile device. Step 7. A green light will start flashing. Tap End Join. The light will turn a solid green, indicating the join was successful. Joining to a secondary mobile device. Step 1. On the Silux Control home screen, locate the camera icon and tap it. Step 2. Tap the plus icon. Step 3. Name your camera and enter the password created by the first user. Step 4. Scan the QR code on the bottom of the Transview InterVedo and tap Save. You can now tap the corresponding icons to view what your Transview InterVedo is capturing live and record it, view saved recordings, take screenshots, etc.